So, hello friends, my name is Anubhav More and today's date is the 14th September and today I am talking about the topics of queries in SQL. So SQL commands. SQL commands are instructions. It is used to communicate with the database. It is also used to perform specific tasks, function and queries of data. SQL can perform various tasks like create a table, add data to tables, drop the table, modify the table, set permission for the users, type of SQL commands. There are five types of SQL commands: DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, and DQL. So SQL command DDL is create drop data definition language is a DDL. So DDL changes the structure of the table like creating a table, deleting a table, altering a table, etc. All the command of DDL are auto committed. That means it permanently save all the changes in the database. Here are some commands that come under DDL: create, alter, drop, truncate, create. It is used to create a new table in the database. And the syntax is create table, name, column name, and data types. So example, create table employee name is varchar 220, email varchar 100, and due date of birth. So like that. It is used to delete both the structure and record stored in the table. So in syntax is drop table name. Example, drop table employee. So alter. It is used to alter the structure of the database. This change could be the either and modify characteristics of an existing attributes, or probably to add a new attributes. Syntax: to add a new column in the table, alter table, table name, add column name, column and definition. To modifying existing column in the table, so alter table, table name, modify column definitions. For example, alter table student details, address varchar 20, alter table student details, modify name varchar 20, truncate. So it is used to delete all the rows from the table and free the space containing the table. Syntax: truncate table, table name. So example, truncate table employee. So data manipulation language, DML. So DML commands are used to modify the database. It is responsible for all form of changes in the database. The command of DML is not auto committed. That means it can be permanently save all the changes in the database. They can be rollback. So here are some commands that come under DML: insert, update, delete. So insert. The insert statement in the SQL query, it is used to insert data into row of table. So syntax: insert into table name, column 1, column 2, comma column 3, column n number of columns. So values, so values 1, comma values 2, comma n number of values. Or insert into table name, values 1 to n number of values. So for example, insert into at Java T point, author, subject, values, so no dbms, update. This command, it is used to update or modify the values of the column in the table. So the syntax is of the table name set column name equals to value 1, column name n equal to value n. So the condition that, for example, update student, set username is equal to Sonu, and where student id is equal to 3. So delete. It is used to remove one or more row from a table. Syntax: delete from table name where condition. For example, delete from Java T point where author Sonu. Data control language, DCL. So commands are used to grant the take back authority from any database user. Here are some commands that comes under DCL. So DCL: grant, revoke. So grant. It is used to give user access privileges to a database. Example, grant select, update on my table to some user, another user. Revoke. It is used to take back permission from the user. An example, revoke, select, update on my table from user and user 2. So transaction control language, TCL commands can only use with the DML commands like insert, delete, and update only. So thank you.